Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to check total screen time in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and partner controls. Sometimes your device will ask you if you want to enter the well-being or the controls, so just tap on the well-being, it should be at the very top. And as you can see, we've been transferred to this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can see that the full screen time was 52 minutes for me. You've got this graph also divided between particular apps which were the mostly used. You've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And in order to check some further details, because you can do it, you've got two different ways. So you can tap directly inside the graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard where you can check the time for the screen, and here under it you've got all of the apps listed. What's more, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and you can also check the details but for particular apps. So this is the second way. You can just tap on the settings, the themes, the phone, tap on it, and again we've got the dashboard, but as you can see only connected with the settings. Yeah, so basically this is it about the total screen time. Just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because if you feel that you use your device too much or you get too distracted with it, I highly recommend to check, for example, the dashboard, bedtime mode or the focus mode. You will be able to set particular time and days when you actually don't want to be disturbed. So for example, in the focus mode, you can set a schedule. You can pick the apps which are the most distracting for you. So usually the social media, I don't know, the mail or something like that. You can select them and you can set a schedule, and in this set time your device will simply limit the notifications from those apps, which is a really great option to really be able to focus, for example. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.